Hey, stay tuned to find out how I transformed our bar from this into this. And then surprise my parents with it. So, my parents had a vacation booked to Mexico for 2 weeks.
Buenos dias, Pedro.
And I decided this would be a great opportunity to renovate our family bar and surprise them when they came home. Me and my brothers helped my dad build the bar about 14 years ago, so it was about time it had a fresh lick of paint. And I wanted to go the extra mile and paint a mural on the back wall with all the legends that had played for the club. So we stripped the whole place back, we filled in all the cracks and we started painting. But it wasn't always easy. Parents are back in 4 days. I don't know what I'm doing with this place. I'm so behind. I haven't got a design for the wall. Doing that now. And look at it. Now the best thing happened during the renovation. Liverpool actually won the Champions League. Which, you know, we knew could happen, but it was perfect timing. It was the icing on the cake, and it was just the motivation we needed. So back at the bar, I had everybody helping out, that last rush to make sure everything was done in time. Even the kids were helping out.
We cleaned and brushed.
So that's it. You know, the place is looking great, and now it's time to show off the surprise. Hope they like it.
Oh my!
I have done this.
Oh my god!
Joking. Oh mate, you didn't do it on your own.
No, everyone's helped.
I didn't have
I love the dartboard. You are clever. How have you done that?
What? I did it.
That's amazing, absolutely amazing. Thank you. Oh, I love it. Love it.
This is what I said.
I love it, don't you, Tilly?
It just looks so much more fresh again. They make me clean everywhere.
Did
Did for about 2 minutes.
So to all the family and friends that helped to bring Anfield Arms to life, I want to say thanks. And to everyone for watching, I want to say, you'll never walk alone. I shouldn't have said that. I instantly regretted it.